Welcome back to Garden Art Corner, your ultimate destination for creative garden art, decor, and craft inspirations. Today we are transforming everyday trash into outdoor treasure with these 12 DIY garden art ideas featuring creative wind chime crafts made entirely from broken ceramics and glasses. You will love how easy it is to breathe new life into fractured plates and shattered teacups to catch the backyard breeze. Make sure to comment your favorite idea below, like this video, share it with fellow crafters, and subscribe to our channel for more beautiful projects. Turn those accidentally smashed terracotta planters into a rustic, earth-toned musical masterpiece. Drill small holes into the top edge of each large ceramic shard using a masonry bit. Suspend the pieces at varying lengths from a sturdy tree branch using heavy-duty fishing line. As they brush against each other, they produce a wonderfully deep, hollow sound that grounds your garden. Old chipped porcelain teacup and its matching saucer can easily become the crown jewel of your patio. Thread a durable wire through the center holes of stacked upside-down teacups to form the main structure. Hang delicate broken pieces of the matching plates below so they gently clink together. This elegant arrangement adds a touch of whimsical Alice in Wonderland charm to any outdoor space. Combine the frosty beauty of ocean sea glass with the intricate patterns of broken china plates. Wrap jewelry wire securely around each smooth glass fragment and porcelain sliver to hold them tight. Attach these colorful strands to an old metal colander or wire basket frame. The resulting craft catches the afternoon sun beautifully, throwing dazzling reflections across your lawn. Carefully score and cut colorful old wine bottles into uniform glass rings using a bottle cutter. Smooth down any sharp edges thoroughly with sandpaper before assembling your new craft. Tie the vibrant glass rings together using clear nylon thread to build a cascading vertical ladder. They emit a high-pitched, crystal-clear tinkling sound whenever a light summer breeze passes by. Broken handles of antique ceramic serving spoons make the perfect musical elements for your backyard. Loop colorful beads and copper wire around the neck of each broken ceramic piece. Hang them in a tight circle around a central metal washer or heavy glass pendant. This setup creates an incredibly distinct, clear ringing tone that will soothe your senses all day long. Gather leftovers from a stained glass project or colorful broken glass bottles for this vibrant display. Group the sharp pieces safely by wrapping their edges in copper foil tape for a polished look. Connect the shimmering glass shards using small metal jump rings attached to a driftwood base. It functions as both a gorgeous sun catcher and a gentle musical chime for your porch. Don't throw away broken Delft blue pottery plates when they can be upcycled into art. Select pieces that feature beautiful painted patterns like windmills or traditional floral arrangements. Dangle these striking blue and white porcelain shards from an old silver metal teapot lid. The classic color palette contrasts beautifully against the natural green hues of your garden plants. Use the metal band of a classic mason jar as the sturdy anchor for your chime project. Tie strings of smooth, tumbled glass shards all the way around the circular metal rim. Add a central wooden pendulum that strikes the hanging glass pieces from the inside. This farmhouse-style craft brings a cozy, rustic feel to your favorite backyard sitting area. Leftover patterned ceramic tiles from a kitchen remodel can find a second life outdoors. Break the colorful tiles into long, slender strips using a pair of wheeled glass nippers. Suspend the tile strips close together from an old wrought iron bracket or hanger. They make a heavy, satisfying clacking sound that mimics the soothing rhythm of falling rain. Combine broken crystal glass pendants from an old chandelier with fragments of mirrors. String them up using strong silver jewelry wire to maintain an elegant, clean appearance. When hit by the wind, these premium glass pieces produce an exceptionally bright, angelic chime. They also bounce brilliant rainbow light spots all over your garden walls when the sun shines. Collect the sturdy handles of broken coffee mugs and ceramic teapots for a unique design. Tie each ceramic loop securely with colorful twine to a circular metal craft hoop. Adjust the length so the heavy handles sit perfectly aligned to collide in the wind. It offers a whimsical, chunky aesthetic that makes a wonderful conversational piece for guests. Brightly colored majolica pottery shards can easily elevate your outdoor decor to new heights. Drill holes carefully into the top of these vibrant hand-painted ceramic fragments for hanging. Tie them securely to an upcycled bicycle wheel rim to create a large-scale statement piece. We hope you enjoyed these ideas, so please comment your thoughts, like, share, subscribe to Garden Art Corner, and have a wonderful day crafting.